Hello and welcome to One Learning Minute session. In this session, I'll be explaining you primary sector business activities. In primary sectors, firms are engaged in farming, fishing, oil extraction and other industries that extract natural resources so that those natural resources can be used and produced by other firms. Businesses operating in the primary sector are mainly involved in three things. Number 1, extraction. Number 2, harvesting. Number 3, conversion of natural resources. For example, agriculture, fishing, mining, forestry, and oil extractions are the prominent examples. If we talk about less economically developed countries, which are also called LEDC, primary sector activities tend to account for a larger percentage of output and employment. Let me give you an example of Pakistan here. Pakistan's agricultural sector plays a central role in the economy because it contributes approximately 18.9% of GDP and it absorbs approximately 42.3% of the labor force of Pakistan. It is also an important source of foreign exchange earnings and stimulates growth in other sectors. This was One Learning Minute. See you tomorrow.